This is an update from our previous footage taken at Lifeboat headquarters at Poole in Dorset of the all-weather lifeboat centre. The current situation with the Shannon class lifeboats being built here was that the 34th Shannon class boat allocated for Reel in North Wales in October 2019 was in the final stages of being fitted out and was a few weeks away from her first sea trials. Another Shannon class lifeboat, another relief boat, was also in the first stages of being fitted out, number 35. There was also two Severn class lifeboats having life extension refits, two relief boats, Fraser Flyer and the Wheel. A relief tamer class lifeboat was also undergoing an extensive refit, and at the far end was Skegness lifeboat, Shannon class, having an upgrade refit.
In them, which are the new ones being built. Next two bays have got severns in. When we go down, I'll explain to you what we're doing with those. Next bay has got a Tamar in, next one's got a Trent in, and the one at the very end has got a Shannon that's in for some additional work. The whole place is laid out for ease of production, and if our boat hits a rock. So we only use it where we absolutely need to for the additional strength with minimum weight. But that's what it is. That's what it looks like when it comes, and it looks like that, the boats look like that when they go into paint. And then having gone into paint, they come over here. I'm now going to say this area here. So we're not allowed down on the platform by the side of the boat. Okay, now come on down. Yeah, but everybody is down here. I'll talk about what we've got here. Right, when they come over from the other side, the wheelhouse will always come into this bay. Now, at the moment, we've got the hull in that bay. And what happens at this stage is we fit in absolutely everything we can. So all the hydraulics, all the electrics, all the electronics, and gets connected up and checked to make sure it works. Because it's much easier if something doesn't work to take the top off and get back and work on it openly. Doesn't very often happen, but does occasionally. Once we're satisfied everything is working, then the gap is reduced. When they are actually working down here, actually building boats, in addition to actually manufacturing new boats, as I said outside, we also do maintenance on other boats in the fleet. So in this bay, again, purpose designed decking round it, except this bay used to be a Shannon bay. When we first started, we needed to build more Shannons. So all the decking is around them is modular, so we can just change it to fit whatever boat we need. So we've got a severn in here now. The designated life of our lifeboats traditionally has been 25 years. And in 25 years we have got a slightly different situation here. As I said, our life expectancy in life now is 25 years. Boat, so it's one of the easier ones to take out of the fleet, and it's a boat called the Will. And it is a boat that is hated by every single Severn crew member in the country. It does not do what it's supposed to do. You're taking it out of the harbour and it will suddenly, the engines will suddenly cut out. And then they'll start for no reason. So nobody even wants it as a relief. So as far as we're concerned, it's the ideal boat to pull apart, put back together again. And if the crews like it when it's finished, we've had a major step forward. But there was a gremlin in that boat. And yeah, the hope is with everything coming out, the gremlins come as well. But the crews are very enthusiastic about what we're doing with it, because although the Shannon will do virtually everything that the Severn will do, there's a couple of things about it. The Severn, in rough seas, trainers say the Shannon is better than the Severn, because the Shannon is a wet boat, so it can go through waves, whereas the Severn is very much and the Severn rolls like Tracy. But when it comes to things like towing, we know the Shannon doesn't tow quite as heavy as the Severn. The Shannon will tow heavy weights, but it won't tow quite as heavy as the Severn. And then you talk to the crew about what they've actually done, and every crew takes every boat way over its design capacity at times when it needs to. Crews have towed 600-ton trawlers in the Severn, and there is no way the Shannon will do that. Certainly not for those who does. Okay, slowly, but it does it. So it's things like that. And the other thing is, you'll see with the Shannons that they are quite low, and it's because of all the technology in it. You actually don't need the high bridge position, because you don't need a spotter up there, because you've got heat seeking, you've got the GPS, you've got your location beacon stuff, you've got all that inside in the Shannon. So you can actually find people without having a look at it all the very last minute. But as some of the crews say with the Severns, if you're a trawler in the North Sea and you're in trouble, and it's heavy seas, you put a Severn and you put a Shannon into those heavy seas. The Shannon will get there marginally quicker because it's a slightly faster boat. But actually, you see the Severn first. So from a mental perspective for those being rescued, seeing that orange blob actually gives you an awful lot of hope that somebody is coming for you. Whereas if you can't see anything, even though they're going to be there slightly quicker, you start to lose hope because you can't see anything. So there are good reasons, albeit not necessarily good navigation reasons or good rescue reasons. There are good psychological reasons for having a bigger boat. Which is the next one down in the fleet. Again, a boat we are keeping, like the Severn. No plans to replace it at all in the future. You can see the back of it is open, whereas the Severn has a small boat on its roof with a crane that lowers it down into the water. The Tamar has the boat in the back. Very James Bond, the back comes down and the boat comes out. Again, going through a refit programme. We've done a few more of these. This one takes 16 weeks. The Shannons to build, each stage takes 8 weeks, and we produce 6 Shannons a year. And it's not a case that we don't want to produce more, it's that is what actually works in terms of getting crew trained, including in terms of financial budgeting, in terms of every stage. And because each stage takes 8 weeks, we can't reduce the time frame for production unless we can reduce it at every stage. Whereas things like refits, because we only have one refit day, if we can reduce it. That's going to be quite a while before that happens. We need, I think I'm right in saying we've still got, we're replacing the Merseys at the moment, and I think I'm right in saying we've still got about So we've got to build that number of Shannons, approximately, before we can even think about replacing the trends. So the trends will still go through their refit programmes to keep them completely serviceable. Is that when we first had the Shannons built, we were getting some oil leakage from gearbox area, and nobody could work it out for ages what the heck was going on. And then somebody went back and looked at design and such like, and there is one seal area, and I can't remember where it is, but one seal area where the recommendation was 48 volts around the seal, and we looked at it, done all the calculations, and when you do all the calculations, 24 is sufficient. So we put 24 in. It's not sufficient, no matter what the calculations say. So we have now got them back in, put the 48 in so we don't get leaks. On to another search and rescue organisation. So quite a lot of them will go out to India, Asia, places like that. Sometimes we get some money for them, sometimes we don't. We don't really mind. They're stripped of all the RNLI